SUVs aren't just about size or luxury. Reliability is king, where you'll want them going mile after mile. Let's reveal 14 durable SUVs ranked by their incredible engine lifespan. Luxury meets reliability. The Infiniti QX80, a high-end sibling to the Nissan Armada, blends premium comfort with raw power with its 5.6-liter V8 engine. This isn't just about a smooth ride, it's about longevity and durability, with an owner logging a mileage of 214,000 miles on a 2014 Infiniti QX80 base. Imagine cruising through family road trips or long commutes in this powerhouse's style and strength. Yes, the maintenance costs are a bit higher, averaging $718 a year and an estimated $11,582 over the first 10 years. But wouldn't you agree that its unmatched reliability and premium features more than make up for it? For those hunting a used gem, the 2021 model year is a standout. With its impressive 81 JD score, this isn't just an SUV, it's an experience, built to elevate every drive while staying dependable for the long haul. Next up, here's a hidden gem you might not expect: the Ford Flex. Even though it's no longer in production and might be an acquired taste, this sleek crossover has earned a loyal fan base for a reason. Space, style, and truck-based durability, what more could you ask for? One Flex hits an impressive 262,521 miles, showing it's not just about looks. This is a vehicle that proves its durability is the real deal. And when it comes to maintenance, the Flex won't break the bank. With an average yearly maintenance cost of $713 and an estimated $4,725 for the first 5 years, it's a smart choice for anyone looking for a reliable ride. For those seeking the best used model, the 2019 Flex stands out with a solid 82 JD Power Quality and Reliability score. The Ford Flex might just be the one you didn't know you needed. Let's jump from the 200,000-mile club to cars that can hit over 300,000 miles. It gets more exciting, and the car brands get even more legendary. Looking for an SUV that can go the distance? The Nissan Armada might just be your answer. Known for its powerful V8 engine, spacious interior, and affordable maintenance costs, this SUV is built to last. It's no wonder that the Armada is renowned for reaching that 300,000-mile mark. With the Nissan Armada, you're not just getting a ride, you're getting a long-lasting, dependable companion for all your journeys. When it comes to maintenance, the Armada won't break the bank. With an average yearly cost of just $550 and an estimated $7,932 during the first 10 years, it's as budget-friendly as it is durable. For the best used model, the 2020 Nissan Armada stands out with an impressive 85 JD Power Quality and Reliability score. Ready for a dependable road trip partner? The Nissan Armada has got you covered. Who needs a brand new SUV when the Toyota Sequoia proves it's the ultimate road warrior? Powered by the legendary 2UZ-FE 4.7-liter V8 engine, the Sequoia can potentially last a jaw-dropping 300,000 miles or more. In fact, a 2002 model reportedly hit nearly 400,000 miles. Yes, you heard that right. This SUV doesn't just survive, it thrives, proving Toyota doesn't just build cars, they build legends. Maintenance: the Sequoia stays affordable with an average yearly cost of $642 and $6,202 over the first 10 years. For the best used model, the 2020 Sequoia shines with an 84 JD Power Reliability score. Ready for the long haul? The Sequoia is built to go the distance. Luxury and reliability don't always go hand in hand, but the Cadillac Escalade proves that they can. Known for its bold design and commanding presence, this full-size SUV isn't just a showpiece, it's built to last. The 2007 Escalade base, for instance, clocked an impressive 309,340 miles, proving its durability. Powered by a robust V8 engine, the Escalade delivers smooth, strong performance. While its average yearly maintenance costs of $1,007 and an estimated 5-year maintenance bill of $6,894 might be a little higher, the blend of luxury and dependability justifies the price. For used models, the 2020 Escalade stands out with an 85 JD Power Reliability score. If you're looking for a ride that combines luxury, longevity, and undeniable presence, the Escalade's the way to go. It's not just an SUV, it's a statement that refuses to slow down. Think luxury and reliability don't mix? Meet the Lincoln Navigator L that's here to prove you wrong. Not just a pretty face, it's built to last. Some models like the 2017 Navigator L Select can hit over 310,000 miles. While others fade, this beast keeps on cruising. Under the hood, the Navigator L packs a punch with an average yearly maintenance cost of $1,089. It's not exactly cheap, but hey, you're driving a Lincoln, and the 5-year maintenance estimate of $5,121 means you're getting luxury without breaking the bank. Looking for a used model? The 2017 Navigator L is the way to go. Few complaints, and it's built for the long haul. Luxury, style, and reliability all in one? The Navigator L just mic dropped on the competition. Big, bold, and luxurious, the Cadillac Escalade ESV is the epitome of refinement and durability. With the highest reported mileage of 325,758 miles from an '09 model, this luxury SUV isn't just about good looks, it's built to go the distance. Under the hood, it boasts a reliable 6.2-liter V8 engine, and the 2024 model offers a generous 41.5 cubic feet of cargo space alongside its premium interior. Sure, the $1,007 annual maintenance cost isn't light, but with a solid reliability score of 85 from J.D. Power and a first 5-year maintenance estimate of $6,894, it's a worthy investment. For a great balance of luxury and reliability, the 2020 model is your best bet. What's more than the Ford Expedition crushing family road trips and off-road adventures? With a jaw-dropping 335,000 miles clocked on a 2005 Limited model, this beast isn't here to play, it's here to last. Powered by the trusty 5.4-liter Triton V8, it's a no-nonsense workhorse that holds its own against those flashy Japanese rivals. The 2016 model scored a solid 79 in J.D. Power's reliability rankings. It's clear this SUV is in it for the long haul, and the cherry on top, it's 57.5 cubic feet of cargo space and surprisingly reasonable annual maintenance cost of $861. Big, bold, and dependable, what's not to love? The Chevrolet Suburban isn't just an SUV, it's a living legend. Sure, it's got a massive 144.7 cubic feet of cargo space and room for 9 passengers, but it's the Suburban's longevity that truly steals the show. It shares the same chassis as the Silverado, with a 1985 5.7-liter model clocking a staggering 340,000 miles. This full-size beast redefines durability. Ranked as the second best large SUV of 2024, its solid 78 reliability score from J.D. Power is a testament to its dependability. And if you're hunting for a used one, the 2020 model with an 83 J.D. Power score offers modern features with proven reliability. If you don't mind older models, look for Suburbans with the GMT 800 and GMT 400 platforms, which have proven to be bulletproof. Maintenance costs average $944 annually. The Suburban is a no-brainer for families who need space, style, and staying power. The GMC Yukon XL is the SUV equivalent of that one friend who always shows up no matter what. With a mind-blowing 353,432 miles clocked on a 2015 SLT model, this beast laughs in the face of retirement. Sharing its platform with the Chevrolet Suburban, it's basically the Suburban's cooler, more adventurous sibling. Need space? It's got more than your overstuffed garage. Need reliability? How about an 86 J.D. Power rating for the 2011 model? Oh, and did we mention it's thrifty too? With $744 annual maintenance cost or $8,517 over 10 years, it's like getting a luxury SUV without the luxury bills. For anyone chasing durability and space, the Yukon XL is basically saying, hop in, I got you covered forever. What about SUVs pushing 500,000 miles or more? Buckle up, the upcoming SUVs will redefine what it means to be reliable. When it comes to toughness, the Toyota Land Cruiser doesn't just reign the roads, it dominates like a king that refuses to abdicate. A 2011 model clocked a jaw-dropping 500,000 miles, basically giving every other SUV a lesson in longevity, showing it's built to conquer rugged off-road trails and glide through city streets. Consumer Reports slaps it with a solid 4 out of 5 reliability score, proving it's as trustworthy as your morning coffee. The annual maintenance cost a mere $843 or $6,782 over 10 years. Practically chump change for an indestructible ride. And if you want the best of the best, grab a 2021 model with 0 recalls, 0 complaints, and an 83 J.D. Power score. In short, the Land Cruiser isn't just a vehicle, it's a legend with a gas pedal. think luxury means a short lifespan? Well, the Lincoln Navigator just rolled its eyes at that idea. With a mind-blowing 527,961 miles on a 98 model, this full-size SUV laughs in the face of planned obsolescence. It's the SUV that says, yeah, I got upscale features and a sleek design, but I've also got the endurance of an off-road truck. And guess what? You won't be breaking the bank on maintenance. With an average of just $1,089 annually, lower than most of its competitors, the 2017 model is your best bet with the least number of issues on car complaints. In short, it's the SUV that ages like fine wine. Now, let the stakes rise as we move past 500,000 to over 600,000 miles. Can anything surpass this? Let's find out as we dive into our final contenders. Ready to hear about an SUV that laughs in the face of limits? The Chevrolet Tahoe is out here proving that some vehicles don't just age, they get better with time. With an absurd 654,936 miles on the 2019 LT model, the Tahoe isn't just durable, it's practically immortal. And the best part, it won't have you spending your life savings to keep it running. With an average annual maintenance cost of only $744, this beast keeps you rolling without draining the bank account. Whether you're hauling the kids, gear, or pretending to be off-roading, this SUV is built for the long haul. Want the best deal? The 2020 model is your golden ticket. With a solid 83 J.D. Power reliability score, this SUV is basically the road's version of a cockroach, surviving anything and everything. This is the pinnacle of reliability. The GMC Yukon isn't just breaking records, it's shattering them. Case in point, a 2019 Denali model hitting an insane 999,999 miles. I mean, what's next? A million miles? This SUV isn't just about numbers, it's the perfect combo of durability, luxury, and affordability. With annual maintenance costs averaging just $744, you won't be left crying over your wallet. Add an 80 reliability score and a reputation for a high resale value, and the Yukon stands tall in the large SUV world. The 2011 model is the sweet spot if you're looking for fewer headaches and more road trips, with an 86 J.D. Power reliability score. Ready for an SUV that just doesn't quit? This is it. Tough, reliable, and somehow still smooth enough to roll in style. These SUVs prove reliability isn't a myth, it can be a reality. Let us know if you've had one of these and subscribe if you like the video.